The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro arrives with the sort of quiet confidence you'd expect from a brand that's steadily refined its wearables over the years. At first glance, it feels like a watch aimed at people who appreciate a sleeker take on fitness tech, something stylish enough for daily wear but still capable of handling the rough and tumble of workouts. After spending time with it, I found it strikes that balance remarkably well, offering a thoughtfully designed mix of aesthetics, performance, and practical functionality. The design is easily one of its strongest points. The 1.82-inch sapphire AMOLED display is bright, crisp, and genuinely a pleasure to look at. Everything from notifications to workout stats pops without being garish. The sapphire panel adds a layer of durability you don't always see in this price bracket, and it's something you appreciate more once you realize just how often smartwatches get knocked against door frames or gym equipment. The titanium body pairs nicely with the premium screen, giving the watch a refined, almost understated elegance. It's lightweight too, which helps it sit comfortably on the wrist all day, even during sleep tracking. Functionality-wise, the Watch Fit 4 Pro leans heavily into health and fitness, but not in a way that becomes overwhelming. The inclusion of ECG monitoring is a welcome addition for anyone interested in keeping a closer eye on heart health, and the SpO2 readings are quick and reliable. Daily tracking steps, heart rate, stress, and sleep feels accurate and consistent. And the companion app presents everything clearly enough that even newcomers to fitness wearables won't feel lost. Workout options are impressively broad, with over 100 modes available. Most users will probably stick to the essentials, but the extra variety doesn't hurt. Whether you're running, swimming, lifting weights, or trying something more niche, the watch tends to adapt well. The built-in GPS locks on reasonably quickly and performs reliably, especially for outdoor runs and walks. When it comes to swimming, the waterproofing holds up without fuss, and the stroke detection does a surprisingly good job of keeping pace with your movements. Performance is generally smooth throughout. Swipes and taps register with minimal delay, and the interface is intuitive enough that you rarely need to think twice about where to find a particular setting. Notifications arrive promptly and are easy to read on the bright display, although, as with many non-Apple smartwatches, interaction options can feel slightly limited on iOS. Still, it works well enough across both iOS and Android to make it a comfortable choice for users switching between platforms. Battery life remains one of Huawei's standout strengths, and the Watch Fit 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. The promised 10-day lifespan is achievable with moderate use, and even heavier users should comfortably manage close to a week. It's refreshing not to worry about constant charging, especially with features like GPS and continuous health monitoring running in the background. No device is without its quirks, of course. Some of the more advanced health features may still feel a touch limited compared with higher-end rivals. And the app ecosystem isn't as extensive as what you'll find from Apple or Samsung, but these shortcomings don't overshadow the overall experience. They simply reflect where the Watch Fit 4 Pro positions itself: premium in design and everyday practicality, without stretching into ultra-high-end territory. In the end, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro offers a compelling blend of style, comfort, and useful health features wrapped in a premium yet understated design. If you want a smartwatch that feels modern and capable without drifting into unnecessary complexity, this is an excellent option. It's reliable, polished, and easy to live with, exactly what many people want from a wearable today.